All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here on the beach crabbing for big dungees. We got AAP fishing right here. Just caught a monster off a squid, the second keeper. Also got a couple of shorties. So far I've gotten two keepers, or excuse me, two shorties, but I still got the rest of the day. It's about 10 o'clock and hopefully we'll be getting limits. Yesterday I heard the beach got a few limits, so hopefully today will be the day. Swells are not too bad. It just stopped raining, that's why I didn't have the other two caught, but it's just got one video of me reeling it in on that pole. I'm gonna check it and hopefully today will be a good day. Let's get it. Got one. Go keeper dungy. Yep, there it is. First surf crab right here. Holy. He's surfing. What the hell? What kind of shit? Let's see this crab. I'm gonna go pick him up. Yep. Nope. Little guy. Little? Yeah, he barely got him. Oh my god. Look how you got him. The tip of the claw. Nice. Hey. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's check this pole here. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes, I'd say. 8-10 minutes. Other one just got in the water. Both are on squid right now. Has been the best bait. Nothing. No crab. Alright, we got one on here for sure. The rod is not moving up much. Crab is just on there, sticking it down. We're gonna go back to the water. And then, got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's the most weight I've felt all morning. Now that's what I'm talking about. We're not putting my gauge, I don't know. Let's go. Got him. That's a nice keeper. Get you. Ooh. Yeah, it is. Look at his claws. Feisty crab. 6 inches. Probably 6. Yeah, 6.5. Let's go. Out. Hell yeah. Now we gotta fill this up. Nice. We got a keeper. All right, no skunk. We got something to take home today. Feels great. Didn't know I had one on here. Keeper? That's a nice keeper, right? Yep. Just put it down. Thank you. Let's go. We got keeper number 2. 2 down, 8 to go. In you go. Nice. Yep. He's trying to get me in the ground. Trying to stick himself in the sand. Won't let it. Double? Or no, 1? Another jumbo. That's what's up, man. AAP fishing's on again. Let's see if we can get keeper number 3 on this one. Shorty. And there's another one, but small. Alright, you guys, the rain has stopped. It's beautiful right now. No wind. Yeah, my camera died when I got my 4th keeper. At least CJ had his GoPro recorded. 6-incher. We're almost halfway to the limit. Not even that far out. Alright, taking a little break with some pumpkin pie. CJ, I do not think he's got one over there. But yeah, weather's definitely getting better. No more rain, no more high winds. Beach is not packed at all. Just a couple of fishermen out here. I thought for Veterans Day it was gonna be worse, but yeah, looked like today made the right move. Hopefully get 6 more. And now we got the rod down. Jesus. Got another one. Has my pole dropped in the water. Here's this crab. Close. This guy's close. Actually, he's probably short.
Like literally suck it.
Suck it down. Is this keeper or not?
Little head.
Small?
Yeah.
Dang it. Well, close. Tons of sand fleas in the water. Oh, I got one. Okay. Now. What is that? Oh, hey, look. I got a crab, but I got a snare too. We got a pump CJ. No, it's braid. Yeah, look it. Not quite keeper. Dang it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another shorty? Check it. Here, let me reel up. Hell yeah, felt nice. What do you think, keeper? possible.
Fuck me.
What happened?
Story of my day. Just barely off.
Dang. Another shorty, and this crab is chill too. Just off. Jumbo! That's a jumbo! Oh my god, there's another one too. The crabs right now are literally so close to shore to eat little sand crabs. Where's the one? CJ just got 7 crabs now. I could have ran for it. Wow, there's keepers here. I need to find another one. Keeper?
Cage buster.
Holy! You didn't have to use a snare for that. Wow.
That's crazy.
That's insane. You got 7?
Or no, it's number 7. It comes down to 7. Jeez.
Wow. That's crazy. Alright you guys, that's going to do for today's video. So as you guys watched, I went to Ocean Beach for the second time before, which was last crab season. It was during the storms and it was extremely rough. So that day I had to leave, which I didn't post any videos. But today was a much better day. I got to the beach around 9 o'clock with CJ. And when I got there, I saw him in his car waiting because the rain was pouring down super hard. But when I got there, he managed to get out and we went to the beach. And surprisingly, there was not many people out there. Even though it was Veterans Day, there was only about 4 to 5 fishermen. But as the day continued, we started off strong by getting keepers and some shorties. For me, the first 2 casts without my camera because it was still kind of rainy, I hooked on to 2 shorties, and then after I hooked on to my first keeper, and then I catch another, and then another, and then when my camera dies, same as CJ's, I hook on my 4th keeper. But at least you guys got to see my 3 keepers caught. But then the second half of the day, I literally caught no more keepers. There were like 10 crab that I caught that were super close to being keeper, but they were just short. CJ, on the other hand, got 7. He got 5 by what I did, just casting out and trying to feel the weight. But one crab, which was his biggest, he caught seeing in front of his feet, dropped a snare down right in front of his foot, and caught the crab like that. And his other one was like the second biggest. Right, we're about to leave as the sun setted. He literally saw the crab washed up on the beach as it was probably eating sand fleas, which there's a lot in that area. And he grabbed it with his hands and he got to keep 7 Dungeness crab. While me, I got 4, even though it's not a limit. Still had a fun day. It was, at least we got a lot of crab. But hopefully next weekend I'll be able to go back out there. If not, then hopefully I'll be able to go do some bass fishing before it gets rough, as the fall is about to end soon. But crabbing so far this season has been quite slow everywhere. I've heard Pacifica has been very good, while due to the fact that it's not fully open, there's just not much around the shallows. Half Moon Bay has been quite slow. There's not many going on the jetty or out in the ocean. And also up in Tobago Bay, I've heard nothing. But the best beach I've heard out of all so far this year has been Ocean Beach. But hopefully it'll continue getting good. And I hope Pacifica really opens back. I'm not sure when they're going to open. But it'd be great if it's maybe this season. But if not, then probably next year. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for videos coming. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay tuned.